Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this super glowing skin and makeup look. It's very easy. I think you guys are going to enjoy the look. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, let's get ready to film, honey. We're going to start off with our Tatcha primer. I've really been enjoying this primer. I don't love it for the eyes. Like, it's not like a good primer to just stick on your eyes and expect your eye makeup to last, but I am loving it for my face. Next up, we are going to fill in our brows, and I've been loving, like obsessed with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I've been using dark brunette, but I think I'm gonna get a little bit of a lighter shade. I swear this is one of the best brow pencils I have ever used, and I am going to stock up on them because it's so amazing. Next up, we are going in with our Cosmetics Cc Illumination, and I really like this product because it has SPF of 50 already, which is really great, and it also has anti-aging properties, and it's a hydrating serum. I recommend this. If you have super oily skin, I don't think you're gonna love this product just because it does give you a very luminous look, and it gets even more oily throughout the day. I have oily combo. I don't mind the dew. I really like it, especially when I'm going for a more luminous, like glowing skin type of look. I really don't mind it. And also if it's just like a day kind of look. If I was going out for a night out and I wanted my makeup to last and look perfect, I wouldn't use this. But for everyday use, if I'm just running errands or if I'm just having a casual day out for lunch or something, this is a perfect product. The concealer I'm going to be using is by NARS. This is in the shade Tiramisu, and I really like this concealer because it's also very glowy and radiant. Literally, it's called the Radiant Creamy Concealer. But I like the coverage, and I like how it brightens up anywhere where you apply this concealer. It's really beautiful. It's one of my old favorites. And we're just going to blend it all out with a beauty blender. And this brush that I'm using is by Morphe. It's from the Gunmetal collection. I don't know the number. It's already like completely worn off the handle, but it's just a large stippling brush, and all I know is that it's from the Gunmetal collection, but I'm sure they have a large stippling brush in other collections. All right, to set my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Banana Pudding because I just want this to be a very easy look, like not too much work. So we're just gonna press this anywhere where I applied the concealer. And the brush that I'm using is by Real Techniques, and it's number 300. What I'm also gonna do is take this big fluffy brush and kind of set the whole look to tone down like that dewiness from the CC cream, because the dewiness is gonna pop throughout the day anyway, so I'm toning it down a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring with my Kat Von D contour palette. I like to pick up this middle shade right here, and we're just gonna contour. And just a little baby contour on the nose. We're kind of doing the bare minimum today because we want to look like we have no makeup, just beautiful glowy skin. Don't forget, I do want to just pass this clear brow gel through my brows to make sure that they stay in place all day. And you can do this with any brow gel really, like any clear brow gel or even a tinted one to match your brows. This one is by Urban Decay, and it's called the Brow Tamer. Here is a little tip for you guys. If you're in a rush, but you still kind of want to look put together, I like to use my bronzer or like contour powders as eyeshadow, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm going to take that same color, that middle shade, and we are going to use that as eyeshadow. Just to give our eyes a little bit of definition. To highlight underneath our brows, I'm gonna use this very light shade right here as the highlighting powder. There you go. And that is the beauty about makeup. You don't have to follow any specific rules. And you can use different products for different things. They don't have to be necessarily used for what the packaging says they're for. And I do this all the time with different products. Pop a little blush on. And highlight. Even though we're glowing, I'm gonna be real extra and I'm gonna apply my Amrezy highlight because this look is all about super glowy skin. Oh. Dear God, so obsessed. I'm seriously about to order a second one to have as a backup because I think it's a limited edition product and I need to have this forever in my collection. I'm gonna use my fingers to give my nose a little highlight. I love a nose highlight. People get mad, like some people get upset. They're like, oh my God, that looks ridiculous. But girl, if you are ever lost, let me light your way with my nose. I do have lash extensions on, so I'm not gonna add any falsies, but if you don't have lash extensions, I definitely recommend putting like a simple pair of lashes on, like a wispy look, just to give your eyes like that little pop, or just wear mascara, it's up to you, but that's why I'm not adding any falsies today. All right, before we do lips and apply mascara to my lower lashes, I'm gonna spray some of my rose water. I love this stuff, it's from Fresh. This lip gloss is so pigmented. Thank you guys for watching this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the glowing skin look, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!